Hello students, let's discuss circle theorem. So the first theorem is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. Okay? So if we take a circle here and try to understand what is angle at center and angle at circumference. Okay? So let's take an center here O and an arc AB. Arc is nothing but part of a circumference. So the angle at center will be AOB and angle of circumference will be APB. So if we draw an angle at the center of a circle from 2 points of the arc, it is called angle at center. And if we draw a circumference of a circle, it is called angle at circumference. So the theorem tells us if the size of angle at circumference is Q, the size of angle at center will be 2Q. That means double. If angle at circumference is 50, the angle at center will be 100. Okay. So the next theorem is angles subtended by an arc in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay. So the same segment is ABC. So no matter how many circumference angle we draw from A and C on the circumference of the circle, they all will be equal. So this circumference angle, this circumference angle and this circumference angle, they all will be equal as they are drawn from the same segment of a circle. Okay. So the next theorem is the angle in semicircle is a right angle. Okay. The semicircle is nothing but half of a circle. So if we take the diameter AB, okay, we take the diameter AB and draw a circumference angle from A and B, the angle APB will be 90 degree. Okay. So in that case, APB will be 90 degree by right angle. Okay. The opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degree. So what is cyclic quadrilateral? If 4 points of a quadrilateral lie on the circumference of a circle, it is called cyclic quadrilateral. In that case, A, B, C, D is cyclic quadrilateral as A, B, C, D lies on the circumference of circle. So if a quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral, then opposite angle of the quadrilateral will be added up to 180 degree. So here, if this is x and this is y, so x plus y will be 180. Okay. So if it is p and this is q, so p plus q will be 180 degree. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So if we extend a side of a cyclic quadrilateral, there will be an exterior angle P, which will be equal to the opposite interior angle, in that case B. Okay, so P will be equal B. So the last theorem is alternate segment theorem. The angle between a tangent and a chord through the point of a contact is equal to the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment. So let's break it down. Okay, if PQ is a tangent, so here PQ is a tangent of a circle and this is a tangent, okay, and AB is a chord, AB chord. So the angle between this chord and tangent P will be equal to the angle drawn from the chord to the circumference of the circle, in that case Q. Okay, so P will be equal to Q. Understand? So the angle between tangent and chord of a circle will be equal to the circumference angle by the chord. I hope you understand. Thank you.